All right, let's be real for a second. You've seen those incredible cruise pictures online, right? The ones with the turquoise water and the giant ships. And then you think, okay, but how do I even begin to plan that? Well, you're in exactly the right place. Today, we're going to ditch the confusion and get you ready for your first amazing cruise.
So, first things first, let's just think for a second. What kind of vacation are you really craving? Are you picturing yourself on some epic adventure, maybe kayaking past glaciers? Or is it all about total relaxation, like a cocktail in your hand, zero worries? Maybe you're a city explorer at heart. You gotta know what you want, because honestly, there's a cruise for literally all of that.
And that's the magic of it, right? Cruising isn't just one thing. Think of this explainer as your personal guide. We're going to walk you through everything from finding that perfect ship to knowing exactly what to do on your last day.
So here's the game plan. We're going to cover choosing your cruise, what to pack, what to expect on day one, what life is actually like on the ship, exploring the ports, and then the important stuff, budgeting and staying connected.
Okay, let's dive right in. Choosing your first cruise. This is without a doubt the biggest decision you'll make. It's all about matching that vacation vibe you're dreaming of with the right ship and the right places.
You've really got to get this. Every cruise line has its own personality. It's kind of like choosing an adventure cruise when all you want to do is chill by the pool. That's like signing up for a marathon when you just wanted a nice walk. So you've got your adventure cruises for hiking and exploring, your traditional cruises, which are basically amazing floating hotels, and then your luxury cruisers, where you won't have to lift a finger.
Okay, so here's a huge question that'll help you narrow things down immediately. Is this a family trip, or are you trying to get away from the kids? If you need water parks and kids clubs, you're looking at lines like Disney or Carnival. But if your dream involves a quiet, calm pool and some grown-up dining, then a line like Virgin Voyages is probably more your speed. See how that one choice makes it so much easier?
Awesome! So you've picked your cruise. High five! Now comes the slightly less glamorous part. What in the world do you pack? Let's get you prepared.
Here's my pro tip. Don't just throw stuff in a bag. Think in categories. You'll need your casual stuff, swimsuits, comfy shoes, you know the drill. But a lot of cruises have formal nights, so it's fun to pack one nice outfit. For gadgets, trust me on this. Get a waterproof phone case. It's a lifesaver. And documents? Make a copy of your passport. Seriously, keep it separate from the real one. You'll thank me later.
All right, it's the big day, getting on the ship. It can look a little chaotic, but I promise, it's a well-oiled machine. We're going to walk through it so you can go from the port to the pool deck stress-free. This is it. The vacation starts now.
Okay, it looks like a lot of steps, but it's super simple. You arrive, give your big bags to a porter, poof, they disappear and show up at your room later. Magic. Then you go through security, check in, and get your ship card. This little card is everything. Your room key, your ID on the ship, your credit card. It's the key to the kingdom. The second you get it, you're on vacation. Hot tip, go find the buffet. Seriously, most people wander around looking lost. You can be eating.
You're on board. You've got your magic card, food is happening. So what's next? What is a day at sea even like? Let's talk about it.
Honestly, a day at sea is the ultimate choose-your-own-adventure. You can go totally nonstop, hit the gym, go rock climbing, see a Broadway-quality show, take a cooking class, or you can do absolutely nothing, like find a lounge chair and don't move all day. Both are excellent choices. The secret to it all is the daily schedule. It'll be on the ship's app or they'll leave a paper copy in your room. It tells you everything that's happening everywhere.
Okay, let's talk dress codes, because people can get weird about this. It's easy, I promise. During the day, anything goes. Shorts, t-shirts, swimsuits. For dinner most nights, it's smart casual. Basically, don't wear your bathing suit to the main dining room. Think what you'd wear to a decent restaurant. Then you'll have 1 or 2 formal nights. It's just a chance to get a little dressed up if you want to. Nobody's going to be judging you. It's all just for fun.
And hey, just a quick tip on etiquette. If you have a dinner reservation, try to be on time. The dining staff are incredible. They're serving hundreds of people in a really short window. It's like a perfectly choreographed dance. Showing up on time just helps them keep everything running smoothly for everyone. It's a little thing, but it makes a big difference.
All right, let's get to maybe the best part of cruising, waking up and seeing a whole new country outside your window. So how do you make the most of your time in port? Let's get into it.
My #1 tip for shore excursions is plan ahead. The super popular tours, they sell out fast. So if there's something you're dying to do, book it early. Now you can book through the cruise line or find your own tour. Here's the big
big advantage of booking with the ship. If your official tour runs late for some reason, the ship has to wait for you. That peace of mind, it's worth a lot.
Okay, we're in the home stretch. Let's talk about two things that can really ruin the after-vacation glow if you're not careful: your money and your phone.
So, your cruise price covers a ton of stuff, but it's not totally all-inclusive. You'll have things like daily tips for the amazing crew, drink packages, and those fancy specialty restaurants that cost extra. It's not a secret, but you just need to be aware of it. The easiest way to avoid a heart attack at the end of the cruise, just check your bill on your room's TV or the app every day or two. Super easy.
And now for the Wi-Fi talk. Listen up, because this is important. Wi-Fi on a ship is usually slow and expensive. That's just how it is. But here is the most important thing I will tell you. The second you get on that ship, put your phone into airplane mode. I'm not kidding. If you forget to turn off data roaming, you could come home to a phone bill that costs more than your cruise. Use messaging apps like WhatsApp over the ship's Wi-Fi if you need to, but keep that roaming off.
And just like that, the trip's coming to an end. But don't worry, getting off the ship is way easier and calmer than you'd think. The night before you leave, you'll pack up your big suitcases and leave them outside your door. The next morning, you grab one last breakfast, hang out for a bit with your carry-on, and then they'll just call your group number. No rush, no chaos. It's a really smooth process.
And that's it. You've got the playbook. From picking the right vibe to packing the right stuff, from your first day to your last, you are totally ready to book your first cruise. For real. The only thing left to figure out is, where in the world are you gonna go?